Hey everybody and welcome back. If you're also wanting to change your privacy list or hide your following list on your TikTok application and you are wondering how to do so, in today's guide we are going to show you exactly. So let's just dive right in. So you can directly open up your TikTok application for that, and within your TikTok you can go to your profile. So go to your profile in the bottom right corner and tap on it, and that should access your profile right here like this. So from this option right here, you can directly look at for your settings. Usually in the top, select up the menu. And once you select up your menu, you just need to go over to the settings and privacy and tap on it. After you tap on settings and privacy, you can basically go ahead and look out for the privacy section and tap on it. And within privacy, you should be finding different options available. Now, if you want to go ahead and hide out your following list, you just need to scroll down and go to the interaction section, and there you will be finding option for following list. So go ahead and find it up and tap on it. And after you tap on it, you can select the option of only you if you want to hide it up. Or if you want your following list to be shown to your followers only, you can select the followers option. Since we are trying to hide it, you just need to tap on only you. And once you select only you will be able to see your following non others. So even if other people stalk your profile or try to access your following, they won't be able to do so. And that way you can hide your following list in your TikTok. So that's it everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.